Welcome, in front of me I have ASUS ROG Phone 5, and today I'll show you how you can customize always on display. So at the first we have to simply go for the settings, find display, scroll down all the way down and go for the always on panel, then tap on the right upper corner to activate this feature. And as you can see, first we got the option when to display. We can go by time, so we can set the schedule, for example from 6 AM to 10 AM, and we can also get it as always. I think that's the best option. And when you go for the clock style, here we can change the theme of it. We can pick this one. Then you have to click apply, and when you go back and lock your device, as you can see right now, it's changed. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.